guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited to announce that we're going to be unboxing the SteelSeries Aerox 3 wireless gaming mouse. First off, we have our product information packet. And right here is our USB-C charging cable. Then we have our adapter. And right here we have our USB Type-C dongle. Now this mouse uses an optical sensor made by SteelSeries, which is the SteelSeries TrueMove Air sensor. The mouse also has an IPS, or inches per second, of 400. This is basically the mouse speed. And we also have our CPI, or counts per inch, of 100 to 18,000 in 100 CPI increments. This is basically the number of steps that a mouse sensor can report when moving a single step. Now this mouse also has a 200-hour battery life, but when those 200 hours do run out, we also have our USB-C charging cable. Alright guys, so overall the Aerox 3 is a nice wireless gaming mouse option. It's very lightweight, as well as the RGB lighting around it is very cool. It also has a good optical sensor, as well as low click latency, meaning that it can register clicks pretty fast, as well as a good lift-off distance, which is basically LOD. Other than that though, there's nothing that really sets apart this gaming mouse from any other traditional gaming mouse, but it did perform very well, so I would give it a big thumbs up. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!